How to quickly charge your T480 or any USB-C laptop to a degree, depending on the wattage. But how I charge the T480 at the moment, especially when I'm traveling or moving around, even if I'm in an office, it saves moving the laptop and getting out long power cables and everything else to be near a plug in the wall. I'm currently testing out and using these two products here, which are two fantastic power banks, one by Anker, one by Ugreen. The Anker one is slightly smaller, and it has one built-in 140 watt cable, and it's a 20,000, sorry, that's an 87 watt. So that would charge no problem. You have a display up the top here. You have another USB port here, another USB-C port. Very simple, neat and tidy. That's a 2000 milliamp battery charger, so you would have no problem in charging this. As I say, it's 87 watt built-in cable, and that's charging the laptop no problem whatsoever. Now on the other one, that's slightly dearer, that's 165 watt and it's a 25,000 milliamp power bank. You have two cables here. One of them is 140 watt, which is the top cable. You have slightly less down the bottom, which charges at 65 watt, I believe. You also have a USB port up the top, normal, and a USB-C port. You have on the side of this one is where your display is giving you the percentage of the battery. So bottom cable attached magnetically drops in there, lovely. Top one also doubles up as a handle. So we just plug that in, and on this occasion I'll plug it into the dock on the T480, the secondary USB-C port, Thunderbolt 3, and that's charging away grand there. So I'm going to leave that plugged in and bring this machine up to 100%, and hopefully it shouldn't take too long at all. So that's the two chargers. I'll drop a link below.